Pack A consists of 10 cards numbered 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 5 ones, and then 3 3. So altogether you have 8 numbers over there, or cards over there. And then pack B consists of 6 cards numbered 0, 0, and then 2, 2, 2, 2. So 4 twos and 2 zeros. One card is chosen at random from each pack. The random variable x is defined as the sum of two numbers on the card. Okay, show that the probability of getting x equals to 2, or probability of getting 2 is 2 over 15. Okay, let's look at how do we get 2. How can we get 2? The only method, the question says the sum of two numbers. So the only method to get 2 is either it's 0 plus 2. Okay, there's no either, it's basically just one method because it's 0 and plus 2. So because there's no 1 over here, if I pick 1 from here, then I have to pick another 1 over here. There's no 1, so meaning it's only the only way that we can get 2 is 0 and 2. Okay, so this is same as, I'll just write it over here, this is same as probability of getting 0, 2. Okay, so how can we get 0, 2? Chances of us to get 0, you have 2 zeros out of 10 cards, so 2 over 10, and then followed by getting 2 from here. So how many 2's do we have? We have 4 2's, so 4 over, what is the total? 6 numbers over there. Okay, sorry, 6 digits, or 6 cards, so 4 over 6. Okay, so from pack A you have 2 zeros out of 10 cards. Then from pack B you have 4 twos out of 6 cards. So when you multiply these two, you get 6 over 60, which is same as, sorry, not 6 over 60, 8 over 60, which is divided by 2 divided by 4, which is 2 over 15. There you go. Okay, part 2. Draw up the probability distribution table of x. Probability distribution table of x. So it's part 1, it's part 2. Okay, so we're going to look at what's x. The probability of x equals to little x. Okay, the little x means over here, it means what is the outcome. Okay, what is the outcome over here? The sum of two numbers. Okay, and the capital X is the probability. Remember, x is just the outcome, the sum. So what are the sums that we can get? Okay, we can get 0 plus another 0, which is only 0, and then 0 I can plus 2, or before that 1 I can plus 0, which I will get 1. Okay, then 3 you can plus 0, you can get 3, but before that, since you have 2, I can have 0 plus 2, which is 2. Okay, I want to write it in order, okay, in ascending order. That's why I don't want to mix it up. So then what else can I get? 1 plus 2, which is 3. Okay, there's no 4 because there's no 2 here. And then finally I can get 3 plus 2, which is 5. Okay, now let's look at the probability of getting these x values, or the sum of two numbers. Okay, first, to get 0, the chance of us to get 0, p, the only method is 0 and 0. Okay, so x 0. Okay, how can we get x 0? From pack of from pack A you get 0, and then pack B you get another 0. Okay, so the probability from pack A you have 2 zeros, so 2 out of 10. Okay, 2 out of 10, and then from pack B you get another 0, you have another 2 zeros. 2 out of 6 this time, which will give me 4 over 16, 2 over 30, okay, or 1 over 15. Okay, next, so that's 1 over 15. Okay, next, to get 2, sorry, 1, to get 1, the probability of getting 1, which is 1 and 0, that's the only method, because the first pack A there's only 1, and pack B there's no 1 or yeah, it's just 2. So the only method that I can get 0 is, sorry, 1 is from pack A you get 1, and then from pack B you get 0. When I do that, you get pack A, you have 5 ones, so 5 over 10 times by pack B, you have 2 zeros, 2 over 6, which is 1 over 6, 1 over 6. And since, okay, I think I'm going to write everything in terms of denominator as in 30, because that's 6. I don't want to put it different denominator, so I'm going to keep it everything the same denominator. So that should be, what was the answer earlier? Oops. 2 over 30, yeah, because 1 over 15. Okay, then this should be 5 over 30. Okay, next, denominator probability of getting x equals to 2. How do we get x equals to 2? Zero and 2. That's the only method, right? 0 and 2. Okay, so let's find that. Oh, we already did that. There you go, we already did that. So I can write that as 4 over 30. Okay, I'm done with that, so let's not waste time doing it again. Okay, next, probability of getting x equals to 3. Okay, x equals to 3. So to get x equals to 3, I think the method here, there are two methods. Either it is 1 and 2, or 3 and 0. There you go. Okay, 1 and 2 and 3 and 0. So what's the probability of getting 1? We have 5 ones, so 5 over 10. And to get 2, which is from the second pack of pack B, 4 over 6. Okay, and then we plus this with 3 0. Probability of getting 3 from the first pack, which is 3 out of 10, and then times this by the probability of getting 0 from the second pack of pack B, which is 2 over 6. There you go. If you add that, should give you, oops, 13 over 30. Okay, and the last one, probability of getting 5. I'm going to write it over here. So p x equals to 5. Okay, what's the method to get 5? The only method is 3 from first pack and 2 from the second pack. So what is the probability of getting 3 from the first pack? 3 over 10 times that by probability of getting 2. which is 4 over 6. And the answer is 12 over 60, which is 6 over 30. Okay, now let's add all of them. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 13, which is 24. 24 plus 6 is 30. There you go. That's the answer.